Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet Ubetcha with today's editorial.
The Maynard family of Waco, Texas, parents David and Mary and sons Colton, 11, and Brantley, 8, went missing in August 2024 during a boat trip in Kachemak Bay, Alaska. 4 others were rescued, but the Maynards remained missing. A renewed search in April 2025 using professional equipment located their sunken 28-foot boat in 180 feet of water in early May. Dive teams recovered 3 sets of remains. A 4th is still being sought. The remains are undergoing identification at the Alaska State Medical Examiner's Office. Alaska wildlife troopers and volunteer organizations led the recovery effort. Next of kin have been notified, and identification will be confirmed once autopsies are completed.